Let us proceed with creating a comic illustration. As the primary component of this comic is halftone, we will explore various techniques for incorporating halftone effects in this tutorial. We will begin by preparing our illustration for halftone application. I've prepared sketch with thick outline especially for comic drawing. If you need sketch, download it free. Now let's add colors to background. Add another layer. Select rectangle shape, select solid fill. Add rectangle shape. Add another layer. Select kind of green color for Frankenstein's face. Add this color using Monline from calligraphy folder. Select yellow color. Add this color to eyes. Add in color to teeth. Add black color. Add in color to hair. Now let's add shadows on multiply layer. Make respective color darker, lower opacity a little bit. Now add in shadows using solid fill. Add a layer, change its blending mode to linear dodge. Now add in rim light to our character. To get a comic effect, here are 3 ways to add halftones easily to your drawings. So first one is by using brush. Go to Screen Tone folder, select Halftone brush. Increase size. Reduce softness. Here's how you can add halftone to your drawings. But there's a little problem here. You have to adjust size of brush over and over to get variation in size of halftone, cause we don't have any pressure sensitive pen. And it's time taking and not that accurate. To overcome this problem, go to Brush Setting, scroll down, and tap on Velocity Graph. Then hit OK. Increase the size. Now notice that, the slower the speed of stroke, the larger is the size of brush. As you increase speed of brush, the size gets smaller, and higher speed leads to smallest size of brush. Size of brush is dependent now on velocity of stroke. And using this technique you can add sense of depth to your drawings using light and dark halftone method. Now let's apply this method to our illustration. Add a layer above face layer. First I am adding smaller halftone, then add larger halftone by changing speed of stroke. Erase extras. Start with corner then take it further away, then add in larger halftone from corners especially. Keep speed slow at first then increase it. This works more good for smaller area to be covered. Add halftone according to shapes and planes of illustration. Also add halftone of dark color to eyes on another layer. And this is done, now it has got more depth than before. For adding halftone to larger area, brush would not be the best idea. We need something more accurate and time-saving. So here is the second method. Add halftone by using filter. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. First, you see third default pattern of filter. This is so vibrant. Now change it to fourth one. You might not see anything of fourth pattern, nor first one sometimes. Second one is black and white halftone pattern. So for getting all those for pattern of filter, add gradient to your drawing. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now let's check it out. Fourth one is still not visible, don't worry. Let's move on to first one, the first pattern. You always get black halftone using the first pattern. Now change it to second one, you always get black and white pattern. Third one is so vibrant and fourth one is not visible yet. Select Gradient Fill. OK to get the effect of fourth one pattern, reduce opacity of color stop. Keep same opacity value and also same color. Keep them apart. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now switch to fourth pattern, now you can see its effect. If you lower opacity, you get the fourth effect of desired color halftone. You can make halftone more darker by selecting Layer, select Dark Color. Select Solid Fill. And fill selection with dark color. And here is the result. Again add gradient. Now keep full opacity of first color stop. And 0% opacity of other color stop. Keep them apart. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now switch to fourth one. And get the gradient in halftone of desired color. Now to get intense gradient effect. Add gradient. Reduce opacity to 0% of one color stop. Now add intermediate color stop, which has defaultly the opacity value in between these color stops. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now switch to fourth pattern and increase strength of filter. Make color darker of halftone. And it's done. There is another method, you can use its alternative method. Draw a circle with solid fill. Reduce its size. Reposition it to corner. Now select quilt pattern. Drag it downward. Adjust distance. Add layers over background layers. Select Gradient Fill. Now add gradient colors. Reduce opacity of upper color stop and make this color a little bit darker, while 100% opacity of other color stop. Keep them at a large distance to get larger haft. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now go to first pattern of filter, increase strength of filter. And it's done. Now go to lower layer. Select Gradient Fill. Make lower color stop darker and notice its opacity. Go to Filters. Select Halftone Filter. Now add fourth pattern of halftone, increase strength of filter. And it's done.